In this video, we will talk about triangle corrective wave pattern ABCDE, and we will compare market and book side by side so beginner can learn very easily and they can understand all the missing part from book. Most viral image from book about triangle chart pattern, this table, but anyone can tell visually chart is different compared to book, because when you scroll down digital version of the book, then they have running triangle, and we will discuss about pair market running triangle pattern. Visually chart is still different compared to book, we will discuss later, but first let's learn about this running triangle in bear market. So market goes down, wave A, sideways correction as a triangle of wave V, then final wave C to downside. This is market choice in a downtrend in a ABC format. Wave V can make any corrective pattern, triangle, zigzag, market choice, but here we are talking about running triangle pattern. First of all, most important, first wave A, it make low and price goes up. Immediately your triangle chart pattern start. But wave V of triangle pattern, it goes down and make new low, and immediately it goes up again. So this is trap in triangle pattern to trap all the buyers. Same like book, you can see these two different low. But after wave C correction, wave D again go down but slightly above low of wave V. So D corrective wave or triangle does not make new lower low. That is most important part. Here all the buyers trap. Then final wave E, price goes up again. Visually you can see upper trend line 3 retest, lower trend line 2 retest. Same like book, and price goes down. You can use retracement for wave V correction, but trend line retest visual pattern is enough. When all step complete, ABCD wave, you get ready for next impulsive wave C to downside. Entire ABCD correction convert it to higher degree wave V. Then our next level wave C start. For Elliott wave, you have to learn how to use wave extension tool. The wave A and wave V. With these two wave, we get projected level from wave C. 100% always minimum. This is first target. But when ABC wave complete, price goes down in C wave, make new low, kill all the buyers in triangle pattern. Important part is next step after wave C. It is not clear in book, because if you see 5 impulsive wave in downtrend, when market make correction, goes counter trend, goes up, first target high of fourth wave, or in simple way you can say resistance. But in ABC corrective wave, when market goes up, make counter trend correction, market goes up to high of wave V. Here we have triangle pattern, not zigzag. So market goes up to high of wave V, and we use retracement top to bottom. Entire ABC wave, market goes up up to high of wave V. Small difference in number because this is intraday 15-minute chart. Price make top on 61% retracement level. Entire ABC wave with triangle in wave V. We can again go to higher degree WXY wave. Here entire ABC convert into higher degree wave W. Then next level correction start. Previously it was triangle, but this time it is sharp zigzag. Then final wave Y come. So you have to understand either it is 135 impulsive wave or ABC wave. When market turn goes into correction, in case of impulse we target fourth corrective wave, but in case of ABC we target up to C wave. It is important because if you see books for price action, not Elliott wave, they see triangle lower trend line breakout and you wait for trend line retest, then new lower low. It is not necessary that market retest a trend line after breakout before making new lower low, but important part is market can retrace back to end of triangle pattern, the end of B wave, because visually you can see market goes down in ABC wave, triangle breakdown, but when correction start to upside as a counter trend, you expect market going back to wave V, that resistance level, that area where triangle end, then it goes down. But majority of books say triangle breakdown, retest of lower trend line, then new lower low. So both pattern work, but majority of book only talk about the lower trend line breakout, retest, new lower low. Another important thing, if you see visually, ABCD wave end, but still upper trend line retest one more time. But book only ABCDE and no extra wave. Because if you scroll down this digital version of Elliott wave book, then they have this silver example for triangle where after wave E, market is still making wave inside a triangle. That's mean more than 5 wave. That's mean more than E wave in a triangle. That's why for beginner, majority of time, better you visually focus upper trend line retest, failure, and you start selling. Lower trend line breakdown, that's mean triangle end, wave C start. But more than wave E, more than 5 wave are possible in triangle, and it is written in book.